This amount you're seeing here was made with crypto arbitrage trading. So it is 12,921,931 Kenyan shillings, which is equivalent to 100,000 USDTs. So all that was made with crypto arbitrage trading on runquilly.com. So just go to your browser, search runquilly.com, and this is the correct spelling for runquilly.com. So this tutorial, you can learn more on my Telegram channel. Make sure you click the link in my bio. And if you comment, you might be lucky to get free capital. So just comment crypto arbitrage trading and you might be lucky to get free capital. Make sure you also follow me and you share. So the classes are free. Make sure you click the link in my bio. After searching runquilly.com, just sign in if you have an account already, and make sure your account is KYC and email verified. If you don't have, click on get started and register with Runquilly. After that, you fund your account. You can see mine is funded with 297,000 USDTs. So plus the one which is in Binance, which is 100K, you get almost 400,000 in USDTs. So as we are saying, we are trading crypto arbitrage trading, which will be trading it manually. We are not using bots, we are trading manually. So you buy low on Binance or any other platform like a Bybit, KuCoin. There are so many platforms out here which you can buy your assets. Then you sell them higher on runquilly.com. So I'll find the best, which is let me find the best price. Bit Exchange is always my guy, and I always sell with him. And remember, you can receive your funds in your external wallet, or you can receive in your internal wallet. I'll be doing this tutorial receiving in my internal wallet. Next video, maybe we can do receiving in our external wallet. So after finding a buyer with the best rates, you can see like this one is 1.19. That gives you the crypto arbitrage opportunity. So I'll just enter my amount. Let's say I trade with 2,000 USDTs, or today let's go higher. Let's aim higher. Let's trade with 3,000 USDTs, receiving internally. Then the address, you know where to copy it. You just tend to deposit, then you copy your Runquilly address, then you review, and this is where your concern is. So I'm trading with 3,000 USDTs, and I could have received 3,570, but there is something called a P2P arbitrage fee, which is this one. So they'll deduct me 71.40 in my profits. So I'll be receiving 3,498. So 498 is my profits. 498 is my profits, which I'll receive in my Runquilly account. So I told you can receive internally or you can receive externally to any exchange. Then you run your trade, and as you can see, mine is here, 3,000, receiving 3,480, and it will be running for almost 30 minutes. So if you want to know how this happened or how this will end, make sure you chat me, and also you join my Telegram so that you can see how the video ended and how many profit was sent and everything. So that's how we do it. Make sure you get your Binance or your any account, then you fund it, fund Runquilly, make sure you trade and make some profit. So this was the first tutorial. We'll do another one with the trading